Greetings and salutations to Jonathan Joao Villarreal's Watch Emporium on YouTube. I am Jonathan Joao Villarreal, and I am delighted to present some invaluable perspectives on how we can enhance our comprehension of the world via the English language. Whether you are a neophyte or an expert pupil, our meticulously curated videos furnish enthralling and enlightening material to aid you in ameliorating your language prowess. It is my pleasure to take a closer look at the extraordinary journey and achievements of Stephen Hawking, gradually recognized as one of the foremost scientific minds of our time. I invite you to join me in exploring the fascinating story behind his groundbreaking research and enduring legacy. The contributions of Stephen Hawking to the realms of theoretical physics and cosmology are truly beyond measure. He was a true visionary who pushed the limits of what we thought we knew about the universe, expanding our understanding of the cosmos in ways that were once thought to be impossible. Even today, his insights and discoveries to continue to serve as inspirations or a challenge to scientists everywhere as they endeavor to further unravel the mysteries of the universe. Hawking's enduring legacies is a testament to the boundless potential of the human mind and the infinite mysteries of the cosmos. One of Hawking's most groundbreaking discoveries was his theory of Hawking radiation, which he proposed in 1974. Hawking radiation is the radiation emitted by black holes due to quantum effects near the event horizon. This theory challenged the long-held belief that black holes only absorbed matter and energy without emitting anything. It also helped to solve the information paradox, which had long perplexed physicists. Hawking's work on black holes and their radiation had a significant impact on our understanding of the universe. It provided a new way to approach the study of black holes and opened up the new avenues of research that still being explored today. In addition to his work on black holes, Hawking was also known for his research on the origins of the universe. He proposed the theory of the Big Bang, which states that the universe began as a singularity and then rapidly expanded, eventually forming galaxies, stars, and planets. This theory revolutionized our understanding of the universe and helped to explain its structure and evolution. Just by being diagnosed with a rare form of motor neuron disease at the age of 21, Hawking continued to make significant contributions to science throughout his life. He defied the odds and persevered, inspiring countless people around the world with his determination and resilience. Hawking's A Brief History of Time was a groundbreaking work that explains the origins of the universe and the laws that govern it. It made accessible to the general public the ideas of black holes, the Big Bang, and the nature of time itself. Hawking's exceptional talent for weaving scientific facts into a compelling narrative, combined with his witty and engaging writing style, earned him widespread acclaim and adoration. The book's success also cemented Hawking's place as a cultural icon, making him one of the most recognizable figures in the world of science and beyond. His legacy as a gifted author and scientist lives on today, inspiring countless people to pursue their passions and seek answers to life's most profound questions. In conclusion, Stephen Hawking's contribution to the field of physics and cosmology were truly remarkable. His insights and discoveries have expanded our understanding of the universe and continue to inspire and challenge scientists around the world. Hawking's life and work serves as a reminder that anything is possible with determination and perseverance. Thank you for watching Jonathan John Valerian's Watch Emporium today. We hope this discussions has been informative and thought-provoking. Don't forget to leave your comments below and follow us on social media for more engaging content. Our goal is to empower you to improve your English skills and broaden your understanding of the world. Goodbye.